I'm actually also playing that gunfight arena. It's really fun. Before I started the channel gaming channel, this one, I was playing gunfight arena, and I'm all the way to the AK-47 now, deploying in. You see? Because I'm a bit of a pro here. Going through the trenches. I'll kill him. Okay. Level 22. Kill him. Okay. I'm actually kind of... We're going back. Going from the west here and down there. Come from there. Okay. You can jump pretty high in this game. I don't know why. Oh shit. Kill me. Move. From here. Take from the east. Advantage. Kinda. Okay, we died. No problem. Okay, we're going in. In place 8. 4 kills. Okay, that's good. Let's see which one. I'm trying to save it for this 55. Okay. I'll take this one. Deploy. We're gonna do this sniper. How hard was I doing like that? I was like, sweaty! Tap. Move. We're going from the west here. Bro, how did I die? Bro is using me. In this game. Taking the advantage from here. Okay, that Owen gun is OP. I'm not gonna lie. Bro! I feel like he's cheating now. Move there. There are a lot of bombs and things. Kill you. Head in. We're heading. We're heading from here. Shoot him. Okay. AR-18. Something that we can scope with. Gotta go faster than that. No, yes. What the frick? Where did that? Okay. The bazaar, that's new. No, rooftop, better. I've never seen a rooftop station. And the bazaar never. Maybe there's a new update. Bro, I don't want this video. Okay, I'm sorry. We're gonna deploy in. now. It's a gun. What the frick? Time 99. We see one. To get don't have enough. They're attacking, they're sniping. They're good. Move out. Let's take these snipers out. Shit. Take the snipers out. This was a dumb choice. How did they snipe me? Okay, we got. That's enough. We gotta get out with the sniping. didn't have enough. Ammo left. Okay. Okay. Okay, we gotta go. Shit. Fastly. I didn't know why I just did it. Why are girls playing this game? It's for boys. It's for men. No, he has the Type 99 screen. This one is going to get us. Some cover. What the hell? I'm not gonna care about anything behind me. Just gonna look. Again? Okay, let's go to menu and buys. This is... No, let's try out the... Again. Ooh, that one good. Okay, we bought this, the Type 99. We're gonna go shooting. We're gonna do the same what they're doing. Okay. They're doing the same to us. Okay, let's move. We're gonna move out. We're gonna move out. We're gonna move out. We're gonna move out now. Yeah, guys. Don't ever kill me. No. Bro! How are they killing us? Okay, that's it. I'm going to the menu and I'm getting something else. No. For the streaks. No, frick. Headhunters. Camos. Gonna get a primary. $500 crash. That's 15, 21 respawns. I should say. I was 6. I don't think I was 6. Okay, maybe the crossroads, a basic looking one. A very basic looking one, crossroads. And again, Gonna go. Don't worry. We'll throw. Move it. Oh shit. I 3 tags in the lead. Okay, take him out. How is... Got him. And kill him. And I get a kill. No. He said no. Why no? I'm the best officer I can think of. How did I myself? Yo, nah. Shit, let's show me. No! I'm not kills. Okay, now. Tag you. Okay, I killed him at least. I should push that. Okay, we're gonna go fast. See, they're heading for sniping. Right there, they're heading for sniping. Cool. Yes, I made it. Okay, we're gonna move out again. Okay? Under the bridge. Okay. Under here. Fast. That headshot him. place. Wait a sec. No! Got me there. But you won't get me in the next. How many kills did I get? Oh, one. Killed him. Okay, level 25. Let's go.
What the hell?
Okay. That guy with the military uniform. I think when he gets the military uniform, he's able to last longer. No, again. Okay, move out. No, again, killed by him. Yes, let's go. No, I could have used the first field. What the frick? How did he? Can you move out? Honey bunga jar. A honey bunga jar. Bro, they're way mad at us. They're way close. Get from here down. Bro, what the frick? They're sad. Okay. Move. No. Mission, get them down. What the? How are you seeing me? I wanna know. Okay, if I can the video, and next time I will show the video. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. Bye, guys, and see you next time.